एटलस केमिस्ट्री में आप सबका स्वागत है। तो आज के लेक्चर में हम लोग सीखने वाले हैं प्रिपरेशन ऑफ फिनॉल। फिनॉल का प्रिपरेशन एक इम्पॉर्टेंट प्रिपरेशन है। महाराष्ट्र स्टेट बोर्ड में, नीट में और जेडब्ल्यू में इससे रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस आते हैं। फिनॉल के प्रिपरेशन के कई मेथड्स हैं, उसमें से कुछ मेथड्स हम लोग यहाँ पे डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। तो पहला मेथड हम लोग डिस्कस करने वाले हैं वो है गाउट प्रोसेस। Now process. In this reaction, what happens? If there is a chlorobenzene, chlorobenzene is heated with aqueous NaOH gives sodium peroxide. This reaction takes place at 623 Kelvin temperature and 300 atmospheric pressure. Then the sodium phenoxide we obtained on hydrolysis with HCl gives phenol. Sodium phenoxide on hydrolysis with dilute HCl gives phenol. This reaction is known as Dow process. So here, if we see the structure of chlorobenzene, this is chlorobenzene. It is treated with sodium hydroxide. Whatever. Fluorine having 3 lone pair of electron, and the lone pair of electron fluorine undergoes delocalization. Due to that, the fluorine does not easily react. So for that, here there is a high temperature of 623 Kelvin and a high pressure of 300 atmospheric pressure. So here this H react with this Cl react with this H and it gives HCl, and we get here we get O Na, and the name of this compound is sodium phenoxide. Sodium phenoxide, which on hydrolysis with dilute HCl we get phenol. So here we have O Na plus and minus. It is treated with dilute HCl. So we get phenol plus we get NaCl, and this reaction is known as Dow process. So in this reaction, what happens? The chlorobenzene is converted into phenol. So the question that is asked from this topic is how you will prepare phenol from chlorobenzene, or the question can be asked how you will convert chlorobenzene into phenol, or convert chlorobenzene into phenol, or in board exam they directly ask the question write short note on Dow process. So this is Dow process, and this process is used for the preparation of phenol from chlorobenzene. Take the screenshot, then we have to meet with next method of preparation. The next method is preparation of phenol from isopropyl benzene. आइसोप्रोपाइल बेंजीन को हम लोग बोलते हैं क्यूमीन, और इसका फॉर्मूला आता है बेंजीन रिंग, and over benzene ring there is a isopropyl group CH. Here is CH3 and CH3. This is isopropyl benzene, or it is also known as cumene. So we have to prepare phenol from isopropyl benzene or from cumene. So in this reaction, what happens? Cumene, cumene is oxidized. Cumene is oxidized with air. Air means oxygen in presence of in presence of cobalt naphthenate. Cobalt naphthenate, and cobalt naphthenate is a catalyst, so gives cumene hydroperoxide. Cumene hydroperoxide, which on heating with water undergoes decomposition decomposition to give phenol and acetone as byproduct. So acetone is a very much important product which is produced in this reaction, and this method is also known as industrial method. Industrial method of preparation of phenol, or it is also known as commercial method of preparation of phenol. So all the reactions completed. Here we have isopropyl benzene CH. There is attachment of CH3 group, and here is also CH3 group. This compound is cumene. This compound is treated with air, that is oxygen, in presence of cobalt naphthenate. So we get cumene hydroperoxide. This compound is cumene hydroperoxide, and this compound on heating with water, it undergoes decomposition. So decomposition takes place like this way. Here यहाँ से एसीटोन क्या होता है, निकल जाता है और हमें मिलता है फिनॉल. So we get phenol and we get CH3, C double bond O and CH3. This compound is acetone or propane 2-on, or it is also known as 2-propanone here, and this compound is phenol and it is cumene hydroperoxide, and we started with from what? From the cumene, that is also known as isopropyl benzene. So this method is very much important for NEET examination, for JEE examination and Maharashtra State Board examination, because this is the commercial method, and commercial methods are the important methods for preparation of any kind of compounds. So in these reactions generally what we see कि हमारे पास एक क्यूमीन है, उसको हमने क्या कर दिया, ऑक्सीडेशन करा दिया, किसकी प्रेजेंस में, एयर के प्रेजेंस में, एंड कोबाल्ट naphthenate. So we get cumene hydroperoxide, which on further heating we get phenol and acetone. This method is known as preparation of phenol from isopropyl benzene or cumene. Take the screenshot, then we have to see the next method. The next method is from aniline. Third method is preparation of phenol from aniline. Phenol from aniline. In this reaction, what happens? Here, aniline is treated with nitrous acid. Nitrous acid in ice cold condition, that is 273 Kelvin to 278 Kelvin, or you can also write 0 degree Celsius to 5 degree Celsius. This condition is known as ice cold condition. So we get benzene diazonium chloride, benzene diazonium chloride, which on heating with water gives phenol. It is also very much important reaction for the preparation of phenol. In this reaction, what happens? Here we have aniline. This compound is aniline. It is also known as phenylamine or benzenamine. So aniline is also known as phenylamine or benzenamine. It is treated with nitrous acid, that is HNO2 and HCl. So we get this one from sodium nitrite, NaNO2 and HCl, and this reaction takes place at 273 Kelvin to 278 Kelvin. So we get here benzene diazonium chloride. So here is the compound N2 plus Cl minus, plus we get 2H2O. This compound is known as benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride. This benzene diazonium chloride, which on heating, इसको हम लोग हीट करते हैं with water, so we get phenol. हमें क्या मिलता है? We get phenol plus we get HCl and diazo group goes out. So this method is known as preparation of phenol from aniline. So the starting material of this reaction is aniline, and the final product of this reaction is the phenol. So this is the one of the most important method for the preparation of phenol. Sometimes the question is asked that how will you prepare phenol from benzene diazonium chloride? So you can start your answer from here, benzene diazonium chloride to phenol. Simply benzene diazonium chloride, which on hydrolysis with water we get phenol. So this is preparation of phenol from aniline. So you can start the preparation with aniline, or you can start the preparation with benzene diazonium chloride. Here, take the screenshot, then we have to meet with next method of preparation. The next fourth method of preparation of phenol is from benzene sulfonic acid. So fourth method है यहाँ से from benzene sulfonic acid. This reaction completed into three steps. Step 1. In this reaction, what happens? Benzene sulfonic acid is treated with aqueous sodium hydroxide gives sodium benzene sulfonate and this is a one kind of neutralization reaction. This is a neutralization reaction. Now you have to see the reaction. Reaction कैसे complete होता है? So हमारे पास है benzene sulfonic acid. This compound is SO3H. This compound is benzene sulfonic acid. It is treated with sodium hydroxide in aqueous medium. So neutralization reactions takes place and the product of a neutralization reaction is a salt and a water. So here the salt is produced, that is sodium benzene sulfonate. So the product is SO3Na and we get H2O. So this compound is sodium benzene sulfonate. In step 2, sodium benzene sulfonate is fused with NaOH, means that is treated with solid sodium hydroxide. So we get sodium phenoxide. So here what happens? Sodium benzene sulfonate is fused with sodium hydroxide gives sodium phenoxide. Now see the reaction. Here it is SO3Na, which is sodium benzene sulfonate, and it is treated with 2 moles of NaOH. What happens? There is a fusion reaction. So in this reaction, we get first sodium phenoxide ONA and sodium sulfide Na2SO3 and 1 mole of water is also produced. This compound is sodium phenoxide. And in step 3, what happens? The sodium phenoxide is treated with dilute HCl, or we can say hydrolyzed with HCl. We get phenol. As you have seen in Dow process, the second step of the Dow process. So what happens here? Sodium phenoxide is treated with, हमने लिख सकते हैं, is hydrolyzed with dilute HCl gets phenol. Now see the reaction. So here we have sodium phenoxide O Na, and it is treated with dilute HCl. So we get phenol. हमें मिलता है phenol plus we get NaCl. So this method is known as preparation of phenol from benzene sulfonic acid, and this whole reaction completed into three steps: step 1, step 2 and step 3. In step 1 we get sodium benzene sulfonate. In step 2 sodium benzene sulfonate is fused with sodium hydroxide, so we get sodium peroxide, and this sodium peroxide is hydrolyzed with dilute HCl, we get phenol. And the final product of this reaction is, it is a phenol. So this is the method of preparation of phenol. Take the screenshot. Then we have to see another method of preparation of phenol. तो हम लोगों ने फिनॉल के प्रिपरेशन के 4 मेथड्स देख चुके हैं. हम लोग नेक्स्ट मेथड देखने वाले हैं. ये जो मेथड्स हैं ये सिर्फ नीट और JEE के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है. ये मेथड्स महाराष्ट्र स्टेट बोर्ड के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है क्योंकि ये सिलेबस के बाहर है, बट नीट और जेई का प्रिपरेशन करने वालों के लिए ये मेथड्स इम्पोर्टेंट है. यहाँ पे फिफ्थ मेथड हम लोग प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं, दैट इज फिनॉल फ्रॉम benzene. So in this reaction what happens? The benzene is treated with hydrogen peroxide in presence of fluoro benzene, fluorosulfonic acid, gives phenol. Now, here it is benzene. It is treated with hydrogen peroxide H2O2 in presence of fluorosulfonic acid, that is HSO3F. This is fluorosulfonic acid. So we get phenol. So this compound is phenol. Take the screenshot, then we have to see the next method. The next method is preparation of phenol from Grignard reagent. So Grignard reagents क्या होते हैं? कोई भी कंपाउंड हो जो RMgX टाइप का क्या हो कंपाउंड हो, उसको हम लोग बोलते हैं ग्रिग्नॉड रीजेंट. अगर यहाँ पे R की जगह पे हम लोग अराइल ग्रुप ले लें तो ये RMgX हो जाता है. ये भी एक ग्रिग्नॉड रीएजेंट है. इसी अराइल मैग्नीशियम हैलाइड को यूज करके हम लोग प्रिपेयर करने वाले हैं फिनॉल को. सो हमारे पास एक अराइल मैग्नीशियम हैलाइड है, तो उसको हम लोग क्या करते हैं, उसका ऑक्सीडेशन कराते हैं एंड फॉलोड बाय हाइड्रोलिसिस वी गेट फिनॉल. सो इन दिस रिएक्शन व्हाट हैपेंस, ग्रिग्नॉड रिएजेंट, और कौन सा ग्रिग्नॉड रिएजेंट हम लोग लेने वाले हैं, अराइल मैग्नीशियम हैलाइड. क्या लेने वाले, अराइल मैग्नीशियम हैलाइड ऑन treating with oxygen, followed by hydrolysis with water gives phenol. Gives phenol. So here we have a अराइल मैग्नीशियम हालाइड। तो हमने यहाँ पे जनरली एक एग्जांपल ले रहे हैं, जैसे हमने ले लिया MgBr, इसका नाम होगा फिनाइल मैग्नीशियम ब्रोमाइड। इसका हमने रिएक्शन करा दिया किससे? ऑक्सीजन से। सो हमें एक इंटरमीडिएट कंपाउंड मिलता है, दैट इज OMgBr, और इसका हम लोग कराते हैं हाइड्रोलिसिस। किससे कराते हैं? वाटर से। हम क्या कराते हैं? हाइड्रोलिसिस। वी गेट फिनॉल। हमें क्या मिलता है? यहाँ पे फिनॉल मिलता है। दिस इज phenol, and this method is known as preparation of phenol from Grignard reagent. Take the screenshot, then we have to meet with next method of preparation of phenol. The next method of preparation of phenol is from Raschig process. In this process what happens कि हमारे पास क्लोरोबेंजीन होता है, उस क्लोरोबेंजीन को हम लोग डायरेक्टली हाइड्रोलाइज करते हैं, मीन्स वाटर ऐड करते हैं इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ कैल्शियम फॉस्फेट at a temperature of 698 Kelvin. Directly we get phenol. So what happens in this reaction? In this reaction, chlorobenzene is heated with H2O in presence of calcium phosphate Ca3PO4 का होल thrice at 698 Kelvin gives phenol. In place of calcium phosphate, we can also use Al2O3, एल्यूमिना को भी हम लोग यूज कर सकते हैं। नाउ सी द रिएक्शन कैसे होता है। हमारे पास है क्लोरोबेंजीन, where is a chlorobenzene, it is treated with water in presence of calcium phosphate Ca3PO4 का होल thrice at a temperature of 698 Kelvin. So this actually react with this Cl and OH gets attaches there. So we get phenol and we get HCl. So these are the methods of preparation of phenol by various process. तो हमने टोटल 7 मेथड्स देखे हैं फिनॉल के प्रिपरेशन में, जिसमें से पहले 4 मेथड महाराष्ट्र स्टेट बोर्ड के लिए हैं, और बाकी जो 7 मेथड्स हैं दीज आर इम्पोर्टेंट फॉर नीट और JEE एग्जामिनेशन। अगर आप सबको मेरे वीडियो पसंद आ रहे हैं तो प्लीज इसे लाइक कीजिए, अपने वैल्यूएबल कमेंट्स दीजिए, इस वीडियोस को ज्यादा से ज्यादा आप अपने दोस्तों में शेयर कीजिए और सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। आपके लाइक करने से, सब्सक्राइब करने से आपका कुछ भी नुकसान नहीं होता है, लेकिन आपके एक लाइक और एक सब्सक्राइब से हमें मोटिवेशन मिलता है और हम और आपके लिए अच्छे से अच्छे वीडियो बनाने के लिए हमेशा आपके सामने प्रेजेंट रहेंगे। प्लीज लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग एटलस केमिस्ट्री।